Hey, I'm DaveWeLike, and in this video I'm going to take you through my Havertys Tribeca sleeper sofa. Just got this shipped on over to my house, and you can see it is a nice looking couch. But what happens when you pull off all the cushions? You get a bed, which is awesome. So we're just going to take these all off, throw them to the side, and we can reach on in here single-handedly. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the inside. So I'm gonna throw it out. And just like that, let's look underneath here. So it seems pretty sturdy when I sit on it. You could even tuck these pillows underneath here, which is really nice. So you'll save a lot of space instead of having pillows just thrown all around, right? And then at the top, just throw that down. And now you've got, these three different sections, one for your head, one for your legs, one for your torso. It all works really nicely. Obviously, still got to take off the plastic wrap here. And one of the problems that we did experience are these hinges. So definitely when you receive your shipment, make sure that they're not broken or coming on out. So double check on that, because if they are, this headpiece will not align with this little board right here. It'll fall through. It won't be able to support your weight. So just make sure that those are correctly installed. We did have a problem with our initial shipment, but then they sent us another one and we're perfectly fine now. So that is what it looks like when it's all out. So again, two people could easily be lying down on this. Plenty of space for everybody. So this is what they look like side by side, all spread on out. And again, to close it on up, lift up this. Then we're gonna lift this tab on up and just throw it on in there. So it's pretty easy to do single-handedly. Anyway, thank you all for watching this video. If you have any questions, of course, you can leave them in the comments section below. And subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon.